Students, I am Jayant Kumar Patel, PGT Chemistry, JNV Golaghat, Assam. Here present again with a new topic for class 12, first unit solid state. Today's topic is imperfection in solids. Imperfection means if some of the constant particles or atoms, ions or molecules, they are leaving or they are missing from crystal, it is known as imperfection. It means if crystal has 100 atoms or ions, then if one atom or ion is absent, it is called imperfect. Imperfection is of two types, point defect and line defect. Line defect means when in a crystal entire row or entire column is absent, that is known as line defect. Second is point defect, when few points are missing. Point defect, it can be classified into three categories: stoichiometric, impurity, non-stoichiometric. Okay, let's see. This is a flow chart for the systematic classification of point defect. We will discuss about these points in next slide. First is stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometric, it means the ratio of the atoms, if it is same, or we can say the molecular formula, if it is same, it is called stoichiometry. So in the defect in which the stoichiometry is maintained are known as stoichiometric defect. It is of two types, vacancy defect and interstitial defect. In vacancy defect, some of the lattice sites are absent, while in interstitial defect, some of the lattice sites are empty, but the particles is not leaving the crystal. Means you compare here, this is the perfect crystal. Here you can see these three are example: vacancy defect and interstitial defect. These are found in non-ionic solids. So let's see here, perfect crystal, it has 8 red dots, 8 green dots. So the ratio is 8 by 8, means 1 by 1. So in this defect, if the total number of atoms, if it is changed, if it is disturbed, this will be non-stoichiometric. If the ratio is maintained, stoichiometric. So first let's see vacancy defect, how vacancy defect is observed. Here if you compare this crystal with this one, you can see clearly in place of this red dot, this one is absent. In place of this green dot, this one is absent. So the total number of atoms, the ratio was 8 by 8, means 1 by 1. Here total number of red dots are 7, total number of green dots are 7, so the simplest ratio is 1 by 1. It means stoichiometric is maintained. So this one is vacancy defect, because the lattice sites are vacant and the atoms or the molecules, they are leaving this crystal and going outside. While in interstitial defect, if you compare this picture with this one, you can see clearly in place of this red dot, this one is empty. But where is this red dot? This red dot is here. So this red dot is leaving its space, but it is not leaving this crystal. So what is interstitial defect? When atom or molecule or the constituent particle, it leaves its space and trapped in interstitial space. What is interstitial space? You see the white portion of this crystal is known as interstitial space. So this defect is interstitial defect. Remember this thing again, vacancy defect and interstitial defect, these are shown by non-ionic solids. In ionic solids, these two defects are known as Schottky defect and Frankel defects. So let's see. Schottky defect. In ionic crystals, if some of the ions are absent from crystal, it is known as Schottky defect. To maintain electrical neutrality, the total number of leaving cations should be equal to total number of leaving anions. Here see, compare this picture. Here total 8 positives and 8 negatives are present. So the ratio is 8 by 8, again 1 by 1. If you count charges, plus minus means overall charges 0. 8 plus and 8 minus. Now compare this one. These positions are vacant, and crystals, in this crystal, the anions and cations, they have left this crystal. So this one is Schottky defect. Sort. If you sort anything, if you kick anything, it will leave its space. So this one is Schottky defect. Here you can see the total number of plus and minus. These are 7 by 7. Means again electrical neutrality is maintained. And the condition for Schottky defect, the condition is high coordination number and less different in size of cations and anions. Means the size of cations and anions, it should be almost similar. High coordination number means the total number of neighboring atoms, it should be high. It should be 6 or 8. Frankel defect. Frankel defect, you can see frank. Frank means what? Frank means the person who is wandering here and there. So just like that, the cations, this cation here, see this picture. In this picture, cation is leaving its space from this. You can see this black dot. It means this black dot is what? This is the position of cation. So cation is missing from this place. But this cation is present in this interstitial site, interstitial space. It means in such type of defect, cations, they are missing from their side, but they are not leaving crystal. So in these cases, electrical neutrality, it is again maintained. 8 plus is equal to 8 minus, overall charge 0. Number of ratio of anions and cations equal 1 by 1. So stoichiometry is maintained, and this defect is Frankel defect. The effect of these two defects on density. So you know density, it means mass upon volume. Mass is directly proportional to number of atoms or number of anions or cations or ions. Here in Schottky defect, since the number of atoms, it is less than perfect crystal, so the density will be less than perfect crystal. Here we can see Schottky defect. Underline this line or note it in your copy. Schottky defect, it decreases the density of crystal, while Frankel defect, it doesn't affect the density of crystal. So these are stoichiometric defect. Now let's see non-stoichiometric defect. It is of two types: metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. Metal excess means cations should be more as compared to anions. It is possible either by two ways. Number one, you can increase cation or you can decrease anion. See one by one, how is it possible? By anion we can see. Again, you see this is a perfect crystal. If one anion, it leaves its space, so this space is empty now. And to maintain electrical neutrality means total number of positive charges should be equal to total number of negative charges. So to maintain electrical neutrality, that leaving anion will leave an electron in this position. So again, total number of plus are equal to total number of minus. So here in such type of defects, anion is absent. Okay, means the position of anion is vacant. So this is anion we can see. But again, the charge or electroneutrality, it is maintained. So here definition now: if an anion leaves its space and leave behind an electron to maintain electrical neutrality, the defect is known as anion we can see. And this center where electron is present, this center is known as F center. Underline this line, very very important line. The question is, what is F center? So F center means a negative ion leaves its space and leave behind an electron to maintain electrical neutrality. So this side is known as F center. F means Fabry center. It means color producing center. Why I am saying here color producing center? Because you see this defect is shown by NaCl. So NaCl, you all know the color of common table salt or NaCl, it is white. But after some time you see the color of this white salt, it turns yellow. Why? How is it possible? Because NaCl, it's a crystal. In that NaCl, chlorine leaves its lattice side and leave behind an electron to maintain electrical neutrality. That electron absorbs light and produces color. You know about the spectrum. About the spectrum. Spectrum is observed when electron excites or jumps into higher energy level, returns back to ground level. So while it is returning from higher energy level, it emits energy which is recorded in the form of colors. So this electron is responsible for color. So this is known as absenter. Second possibility, extra cation interstitial site. Extra cation means total number of plus and minus, these are same, but one extra electron is present in this interstitial site. This cation comes from outer source. So now count total number of cations, it is 9. Total number of anions, it is 8. So the ratio of ions, it is 9 and 8. So this is non-stoichiometry. But to maintain electrical neutrality, one electron is trapped in interstitial space. So total number of plus, it is 9. Total number of minus is 9. It is electrically neutral. So this is known as extra cation in interstitial site. This is metal excess defect. Now let's see metal deficiency. This one is metal deficiency. So this type of defect is shown by the ionic compounds in which metal shows variable oxidation state. What is the meaning of variable oxidation state? Variable oxidation state, it means there are some atoms or some metals which can show or which can exhibit more than one oxidation number. For example, you know iron, it forms Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus. So it is showing two type of oxidation state, plus 2 and plus 3. This type of behavior is known as variable. Okay, and these metals, if these metals are involved in forming the crystal, then this defect is shown. So let's see. This type of defect is shown by the ionic compounds in which metal shows variable oxidation states. In such defects, a cation leaves its side, and to maintain electrical neutrality, some other cations increase their oxidation state. Let's see. This is a perfect crystal. Fe2 plus O2 minus, overall 0. Fe2 plus O2 minus, overall 0. So total number of Fe, these are 8. Total number of O, these are 8. Electrically neutral. This is a perfect crystal. So in defective piece, here you can see this Fe2 plus is absent. So if Fe2 plus is absent, then the total number of positive charge or total negative charge. So now see, earlier 8 Fe were present. It means it was a 16 positive charge and 16 negative charge. Okay, so it was electrically neutral. But if one Fe2 plus is absent, means now the positive charge is 14 and negative charge is 16. So this is not electrically neutral. To maintain electrical neutrality, now here this Fe2 plus, here see, this was Fe2 plus, it increases its oxidation number. So in place of plus 2, now the oxidation number is plus 3. Just like that, this Fe2 plus also, it increases its oxidation number from plus 2 to plus 3. So total, now count total number of positive charge, 3 to 5, 7, then 9, 12, 14, 16. 16 positive charge, 16 negative charge, electrically neutral. So metal deficiency means metal, the total number of metal ion or cation, it is less than anion. Here simply you can see 7 iron means 7 metal is present and 8 non-metal is present. So this is metal deficiency defect. In this way, the two type of defect, stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric, complete. Okay. Now next defect is impurity defect. As it is clear from its name, impurity means there should be some impurity. So this defect is observed when two ionic compounds are mixed together and foreign ion replace host atom from its lattice point. It means, you see here, this is a crystal of NaCl. NaCl, 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 cations and anions are present in alternate position. So this is a perfect crystal. Defective crystal, so when this NaCl is mixed with strontium chloride, SrCl2, then some Sr2 plus ions, they replace sodium ions. So you see here, one Sr2 plus, here 2 plus, it means one ion of strontium, it is equal to 2 ions of sodium, because 1 and 1 2 plus, it is equal to this 1 ion. So if this strontium is present, it means we have to remove 2 Na plus from this crystal. So here 1 Na is absent, second Na is absent, 2 Na are missing, and to maintain electrical neutrality, this one is Sr2 plus. So now count total number of positive charge, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 positive charge, 8 negative charge, electrically neutral, but the total number of cation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and total number of anions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The ratio is 7:8. This is not stoichiometry. So impurity defect, simple. Impurity means mixing. So here these were the imperfections in crystal. So students, now quick revise. The total type of crystals, total type of imperfection in crystal. This one is point defect. It is of 3 types: stoichiometry, impurity, non-stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is of 2 types: non-ionic defect, ionic defect. Non-ionic compound in this vacancy and interstitial defect, ionic compound, Frankel and Schottky defect. Remember this thing, vacancy defect, this one is equal to Schottky defect. Okay, vacancy defect is equal to Schottky defect. The difference is vacancy defect is found in non-ionic solids, Schottky defect is found in ionic solid. Just like that, interstitial defect, it is equal to Frankel defect. The difference is only of solids. Non-ionic solid, it is interstitial. Ionic solid, it is Frankel defect. In non-stoichiometric, the important point is F center. Again, I am repeating, very, very important line. That is F center. Okay, got it? That's all for today's lecture. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe this video. Thank you.